been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Hot stuff, what is that guy? Hot stuff, rolling. Hot thing. Hot thing, hot thing. What is that guy? One there. Hot thing. Hot thing, hot thing. I want to them. They're going to blow this. Yes, water. I don't know. Hot thing.
Raise your foot, one of your foot, one of your
Round it, round it. Round it. Round it. Hold him.
Hold on, get up.
Hold him. Hold him. Yes.
Come on, down here. Make it that, make it that. Watch yourself, no, you don't get down. Jana, I share the mango tree. Get over. Look at mango. Eh. Cheese and peas, good mango. I know many know which one to pick. I know me not to come off the ground. Then I be a turn on the mirror, no? Be a turn on the mirror. I dem more when they something there. For mango. Look at mango. Holy. Can't you shake the tree? Go on, Janai. So this. Eh? My word. Eh? The mango them pretty. Look at mangoes. Jeez. I lick half of all of them now. And they're big. I say mango thief, huh, Joe? When is the hard job? Alright, mango hole. One here. Climb a mango tree. Cut mangoes. Whole heap of mango.
Yeah, for where is it? I
Look for me still in the rain. Look for her in the rain. What's she up in the water? She love water. So them dig one hole down there so and the water settle up. And it like she a clear it out, clear run out. So that's her in the water. Miss Williams. Come out there, rain. Come out there, rain. You see your brakey, shover?
Yes, it was already broken.
I know your brakey.
I know my brakey.
How?
It was already broken.
No go so.
What?
Are you brakey? And I on it, babes?
You put up brakey?
Yep. You deserve a medal. Come out there, rain. What you do? What you doing? Real country, man. Construction zone. Jamaica make use of water. A raincoat bad, not you? It's raining. The water run off right. What you have to say, Victor, man?
You like my raincoat? This is the new and improved Raincoat. It keeps you dry yet breezy. How's that country life does for you? Eh?
Huh? I catch cold.
You know what trouble me used to get when we young got out of door in the rain?
Catch cold and go say yeah, corona it and they come out the rain.
Then they already said, oh, well, we have to have you already. No. What does it matter? Look, I am sweating like a pig, but work has gotten done. Let me show you guys where we reach on the house because it's getting late. Now we have to go turn on the light. We end up having to stop because we were looking for dogs. Yeah, two of them, they're not doing so well. So yeah, we had to stop for a little bit and get some other stuff done, but let me show you guys where you see almost halfway reach. So we reached to the window height, as you guys can see. So yeah, I reached window height and we're doing the last bit over here. So all that done, and then we're just gonna do this wall, and then that is it for the night. We're gonna have to leave this wall. So this wall here is gonna have to leave because for another time, and then we also have to leave this wall for another time. So I just wanted to come and show you guys the place. Mosquitoes are literally eating me alive. Yeah. So I'm actually just coming to end the vlog, guys. Yeah, so we are back working on the house, just trying to get as much as we can done. I am exhausted. I have a slight headache. Yeah, I have a slight headache, so I'm just finishing helping the guys here, and then I'm just gonna go take a shower and literally lay down because my head is like pounding like crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to come by and show you guys that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to, you know what, hit that subscribe button, share the videos up, and like. Yeah, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam. The hair is crazy, but I've been carrying blocks all day and helping to bring up the sand and stuff like that. So yeah, and at least we have light. See the light bright? So night work is getting done. But they always say, Granny always say, you want good, your nose have to run. So you know, we're just doing what we can. Guys, definitely. And this is definitely, the one up there, sir? And this is definitely a way that you can save money. I always say if you can do something yourself, do it. Leave the middleman out. And trust me, the way we have done our thing, you notice that there's just the three of us working. We have able to save a lot of money that we're able to push our house much further than where it would have been if we had to pay a whole heap of workers. So sometimes if you can do the work yourself, then you might as well get it done. A lot of people are always saying, Mario's working so hard and stuff like that. But yeah, we're working hard to push our house here, babes, to where we want it to be. But at the end of the day, if we can get it done with less people and we can do the work, why not? The electrical work, he's not going to touch. So definitely you have to have the electrician, right? The rest of the stuff we definitely can do, and the three of us can do it. I help out as much as I can, and what I can't do, then the two of them do it. So I always end up helping out with the easier stuff, and sometimes the difficult stuff as well. But hey, I feel like just joy knowing that I'm able to help in the process of building our dream home. I was able to help as in carry blocks, help mix sand and stone, do it all except for laying the block. I just watch and see how Mario does it. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, And like I said, make sure that you're subscribed and keeping up with us. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
Yes.
Oh, hey. Give her this. Black coffee. How about? May I make plate?
Yeah, make sure some can I'm outside.
Let me not stop you. You want what in it to eat?
If you can't eat, no. If it tastes bitter, no.
Huh?
If it tastes bitter, no.
If it tastes bitter, no.
Mm-hmm. If it smells funny, no.
It smells
Yeah,
good.
smell it.
That's so easy to cook, man.
It's an oxen I use cooking.
Yo, it smells bad.
You know what I call?
Yeah, no.
Goody. Calabash.
Calabash.
The rest of them use make plate.
So yeah, what Rasta
No,
now?
only that what
Where
you
your
put
dreads
them
then?
up better. Giselle find one. I see something that.
At that then you ask her that then you should cut pipe.
Ah. There you go.
Open it. 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 Open it.
To eat.
No.
So you clean out, you know? Come clean it out. Get on a spoon.
There.
Oh. Eh?
Ew.
You want to say it, eh?
Why is it turning blue?
No, a spoon.
Take up the one, yeah, sniff it.
Ew, it looks gross.
Yeah.
So, is it stuff them inside I can eat?
You're crazy? No?
I put mommy one yam everything in it.
You clean it out and throw it away.
So, how people discovered that's what that thing is for?
But no, people just make it as plate.
So you take off his
But
hand.
what
So
is
you
it
make it
for
back
otherwise?
So you make it bottom part brown, the outside brown. Or you make it brown, or they do stain it.
Who make it brown? Nobody make it brown in nature or something.
India?
Hmm?
Why, so what other...
Plate. No, like plate.
Wow. Can you use it make handbag?
Boxers.
Like put string on it.
I know what it can make, but me I say like, what... Before people know that's what it could be used for, what else could you have used it for?
I don't know. I don't go back so far back in the history. I say, I'm a young bud.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Mary, my foot tired more. Sit down.
Feet, really?
Yeah.
Old man.
Me say.
Giselle. That's illegal.
Okay. So,
Calabash.
Mr. William, love his country life, eh? So when you leave it now, it would turn brown, like how you see the other ones them turn.
I'm gonna dry out.
Mommy, look here.
So they used to feed it after my school, you know, no,
But me want to know what is good for it, because it looks like it's a fruit. Your face. There's the other one here.
It's sour.
Hmm?
It's sour.
Eh? Yeah.
You don't seem to have a smell.
Don't.
I don't smell it.
But don't smell bad.
Here, scrape out. Let me smell what you're scraping off. I don't smell it. So the seeds them, you can plant them?
You know
know.
what they used to use goody do?
No.
Back in the days, like mark burial ground.
Hmm.
Like if you want grave today, then you plant one day. So then normally say anyway you see one calabash tree,
Oh.
one grave today.
Oh.
So people would normally afraid to go on it because they say a grave. First time people don't like grave, man.
First time people don't like that either.
So I remember the first time, you know, I be a dirt grave, you know. So then you used to use them market grave spot them.
No, they never used to put them in wooden boxes. Or is this later?
Wooden box and but a dirt, dig hole and they put them on that dirt. Without no
Cement or no?
cement anything.
Well, I know that.
Cover them up with dirt. Wow. Plate ready to eat out.
It's a soup
And
plate.
we the cover now.
Ready to eat out of what that I wash first.
That feet.
More than once too.
That's deep. It's deep. I like it.
Don't
touch my balls.
babes.
Stop touch me bowl.
Cereal. I like it. I like it. It's actually unique. It's a different style.
Go on the carry go.
I want a big one.
Then can't carve on this.
Yeah.
Make
Make
design.
design.
I would want a bigger one.
For do what?
Salad bowl.
Yeah.
But not big enough. That's not big enough. You can make it, and is that what they use to make the
See,
spoons
this
too?
could look like a bowl too, but a small
Huh?
one.
Is it what they use to make the spoon as well?
Oh!
Can make us. Wait. See put your bossy. You know where I come from? Fiat Muna.
Like you could. Yeah, I missed you by this much.
Me not go miss you, no? Me not miss you.
I'm so mad that you got breakfast and you got active yesterday and I had to walk to the shop to go get breakfast.
I'll get something.
What? 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 Ew. Disgusting.
That's neat.
Let me have to go beard.
That's neat. I like unique things like that, especially even in your kitchen. Like if you have like a rusted style kitchen, you find them making a lot of bamboo plates now. Like you can order and have that nice rustic country style.
My man used to up here with carve them, but me not
Modern
really.
style.
One time I see my beer. That real neat, huh?
Yeah. That is neat. That is neat.
Right now, this Loctite or any plate you have in a house.
As long as you get it the right way.
See? Look. Look how neat this lock.
Yeah.
Eh?
That is neat.
Nothing can. Nice cover.
I like that. So why didn't you get 3?
Yeah, more?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go back. I'm going to pass it, but I get more.
I get it.
But seriously, I see some more for my next time.
And get some bigger ones.
What?
You know how to make the spoons?
What spoon?
The spoons, them like the wooden spoons.
You cut them out of wood.
Oh, I thought they used those.
No.
But you could use that to make a spoon,
I
no?
used to make it with me, I got a training center. Wooden spoon and wooden fork.
But yeah, you could make it out of that. Wait a minute, You just have to go for tea.
So.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Oh, what that dip on the veranda, guys.
Yeah. Pussy not speak.
I say pussy in a speck. They say when you're home and have nothing better to do. Eh? Oh God, look at the sight. Oh Lord. Then I don't crave you out. Coming like when you eat porridge and you just creep out the bottom of the pot.
Okay, so see?
Yeah.
Nice and clean, ready for wash. And ready to eat. Yeah, top.
And that's easy.
Nice plate.
So then it's gonna
Cost
change
nothing.
color. Yeah, so see, you guys just learn how to make plates. If you don't have the money like that to buy, and those are still fancy plates because
and
these
a
are what
calabash
people are
tree.
actually buying. People are buying these for a good amount of money. It's actually what's in right now.
Yeah, make it that one here.
You know, that is so funny because I was looking when I was looking for dishes and stuff for a kitchen. Me I look at like some of the wooden plates and stuff. They have the bamboo plates because I just wanted like for the aesthetic of the kitchen something different. You know, with like a different feel, especially like when you have guests come over, they just look nice.
Oh, I don't know. Not too deep.
No, looks good. It looks good. So you line it out. So I didn't show you guys the other one from before, but you guys will see this one. And they have them in bigger size too, guys. Yeah.
Yep, and smaller too.
And at least they still can break, right?
Mm-hmm.
But they don't break as easy as the glass plates.
See, tough.
Yeah, tough. A little tough body.
I just want to get through.
Well, once you get through, it's easier to. But if anybody knows what these were used for before people used them to make plate, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'm just probably gonna have to research it and look it up. They call it calabash, and if you watch our channel and you live in a different part of the island, well, in a different island, what do you guys call these? Because I'm sure, like, I know islands, they call things different names.
Calabash body.
Yeah, so Jamaicans, and they call it what? Calabash body.
Body. Body.
Okay. Body?
Body.
Oh, Goldie. Oh. Oh gosh, so I will say it wrong. Yeah, so them partying down there.
So ordinary.
It's the good thing too, you can design it. You can add your unique touches to it. And the color that it is now, it's going to change. Right? It gets darker. Like a darker wood, which will be nice. So this is what it looks like when it's freshly cut. And then I will show you guys it in another video, what it looks like when it's actually like seasoned, I guess. Sitted there for a while. But whatever inside, it looks nasty. So he's gonna cut through this one. Yeah. Well, dig it out and it'll end up looking like those ones.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my